Let's proceed to inclusive events. Inclusive events are events that have one or more outcomes in common. When you roll a number cube, the outcomes rolling an even number and rolling a prime number are not mutually exclusive. Kaya ano ba yung mga mutually exclusive? Pag sinabing mutually exclusive events, these are events that cannot both occur together at the same time. Okay? Itong rolling an even number and rolling a prime number are not mutually exclusive. Why? Because meron silang common outcome. Okay, there is an even number and at the same time, prime number siya. The number 2, okay, is both prime and even. So the events are inclusive. Okay, look at the diagram below. Okay, meron tayong 2 events dito, even numbers and prime numbers. As to what you can see, they have an intersection, okay, which is 2. 2 is an even number, and at the same time, prime number siya. Therefore, these 2 events are inclusive because meron silang common outcome or meron silang intersection. There are 3 ways to roll an even number. 2, 4, 6. Kasi sa number cube, meron lang tayong 6 na number. 1, 2, 3, 4, at 6. And there are also 3 ways to roll a prime number. 2, 3, and 5. The outcomes 2 is counted twice when outcomes are added, or 3 plus 3. The actual number of ways to roll an even number or a prime number is 3 plus 3 minus 1 equals 5. Okay, bakit minus 1? Because itong 2, okay, di ba dalawa siya? It is counted as 1. So, kapag i-add natin yung 3 ways, at 3 ways dito sa prime number, magkakaroon tayo ng 6 ways. Since counted as 1 yung 2, okay, magsasubtract tayo ng 1 para accurate yung answer natin. The concept of subtracting the outcomes that are counted twice leads to the following probability formula. The probability of 2 inclusive events, A and B, okay, the probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A intersection B. Okay, itong A intersection B, this is the common outcome between the 2 events, A and B. So, ito yung gagamiting formula natin, okay, to find the probability of inclusive events. Recall that the intersection symbol means and. Okay, itong reverse U means intersection, and okay, indicates intersection. Let's proceed to application. Find the probability on a number cube. The given events are rolling a 4 or an even number. Rolling a 4 and an even number are inclusive events because 4 is also an even number. Therefore, we will use the formula probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Kapag i-apply natin siya dito, it will be probability of rolling a 4 or an even number is equal to probability of rolling a 4 plus probability of rolling an even number minus probability of rolling a 4 and an even number. Okay, 4 is also an even number. Okay, that's why inclusive siya. The probability of rolling a 4 is 1, 6. It is because isa lang yung 4 sa number cube. Okay, plus probability of rolling an even number. Okay, it is 3, 6. Okay, bakit 3, 6 siya? It is because there are 3 even numbers on a number cube. These are 2, 4, and 6. Minus probability of rolling a 4 and an even number. It is 1, 6. It is because isa lang yung 4 sa number cube. Okay, it will be 1/2. 1, 6 plus 3, 6 minus 1, 6 is 1/2. Ito na ngayon yung answer natin. The probability of rolling a 4 or an even number is equal to 1/2. Let's proceed to the next example. Find the probability on a number cube, rolling an odd number, or a number greater than 2. The events rolling an odd number and a number greater than 2 are inclusive events. It is because there are odd number on a number cube that are greater than 2. These are 3 and 5. Therefore, we'll use the formula probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Kapag i-apply natin siya dito, it will be probability of rolling an odd number or a number greater than 2 is equal to probability of rolling an odd number plus probability of rolling a number greater than 2 minus probability of rolling an odd number and a number greater than 2. There are two outcomes where the number is odd and greater than 2. Okay, these are 3 and 5. So that's make the two events inclusive. The probability of rolling an odd number is 3, 6. Why? It is because on a number cube, there are 3 odd numbers. These are 1, 3, and 5. That's why 3, 6 yung probability niya. Plus probability of number greater than 2. On a number cube, there are 4 numbers that are greater than 2. These are 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's why 4, 6 yung probability niya. Minus probability of rolling an odd number and at the same time greater than 2. Okay, it is 2, 6. Why? It is because there are 2 numbers on a number cube that are greater than 2 and odd number. These are 3 and 5. Okay, that's why 2, 6 yung probability niya. 3, 6 plus 4, 6 minus 2, 6. It is equal to 5, 6. Therefore, the probability of rolling an odd number or a number greater than 2 is 5, 6. Let's proceed to the next. A card is drawn from a deck of 52. Okay, sa ibang problem, hindi nakastate yung deck of 52. Okay, nakastate is standard deck of cards. So, kapag standard deck of cards, it is 52. Okay? Find the probability of each. Okay, drawing a king or a heart. Okay, drawing a king and a heart are inclusive events. Why? Because there is a king and at the same time, heart card siya. So that's why inclusive sila. Therefore, we'll use the formula probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Kapag i-apply natin siya dito, it will be probability of drawing a king or a heart is equal to probability of drawing a king plus probability of drawing a heart minus the probability of drawing a king and heart. The probability of drawing a king is 4 all over 52. The probability of drawing a heart card is 13 all over 52. Okay, bakit 4 all over 52 yung probability ng drawing a king? It is because there are 4 kings in a standard deck of card or a deck of 52. So, 4 lahat yung kings. That's why 4 all over 52 yung probability niya. Then, yung probability of drawing a heart is 13 all over 52 because in a standard deck of card, there are 13 heart cards. So, that's why 13 all over 52 siya. Then, minus, okay, 1 all over 52, which is the probability of drawing a king and heart. Okay? In a standard deck of card, there is only 1 king and at the same time heart siya. It is king of hearts. So, that's why 1 all over 52. 4 all over 52 plus 13 all over 52 minus 1 all over 52 is 4/3. Okay, bakit naging 4/3? It is because, okay, kapag i-add natin yung 4 all over 52 plus 13 all over 52 minus 1 all over 52, it will be 16 all over 52. Then simplify, it will be 4 all over 13. Next, a card is drawn from a deck of 52. Okay, sa ibang problem, ang nakalagay dyan is standard deck of card. Okay, hindi naka-indicate yung 52. Kapag standard deck of card, it is 52. Okay, find the probability of each. Drawing a red card or a face card. Again, drawing a red card, these are hearts and diamonds. Or a face card, jack, queen, or king. These events are inclusive because there are red cards and at the same time, face cards. So we will use the formula probability of A union B plus probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Kapag i-apply natin siya dito, it will be probability of drawing a red card or a face card is equal to probability of drawing a red card plus probability of drawing a face card minus probability of drawing a red card and a face card. Yung red and face, ito yung common or intersection. Okay, the probability of drawing a red card is 26 all over 52. Okay, bakit 26 all over 52? It is because there are 13 heart card in a standard deck of card and there are also 13 cards or diamond cards in a standard deck of card. So 13 plus 13 equals 26. So that's why 26 all over 52 siya. Okay, plus probability of drawing a face card, it is 12 all over 52. Why? It is because sa bawat suit ng 52 deck of card, okay, there are 4 suit, clubs, spade, hearts, and diamonds. Okay, sa bawat suit, there are 3 face card. So there are 4 suit, okay, 4 times 3, it is equal to 12. So 12 all over 52. Then minus the probability of drawing a red card and a face card is 6 all over 52. Okay, bakit 6 all over 52? Because, okay, there are jack of hearts, queen of hearts, and king of hearts. Then meron ding jack of diamonds, queen of diamonds, and king of diamonds. Okay, 6 lahat. Okay, that's why 6 all over 52. Okay, it is equal to 32 all over 52. Simplify, it will be 8 all over 13. Therefore, the probability of drawing a red card or a face card is 8 all over 13.